Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a timer on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the Home button to open the app menu, and then tap on the timer icon. You can choose from a few preset timers by tapping on them. You can pause the timer by tapping the pause button and play it again by tapping play. You can cancel the timer by tapping the X button. To set a timer for a time that is not preset, tap on Customize. You can now choose the length of time you would like and then tap the tick. Your timer will start. You can leave the timer app and your timer will keep running in the background. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.